All right, everybody. We are starting, today's the day. We are starting the insulation installation. So away we go. Hey, look, Paul.
Okay. That's it.
Huh?
That's it.
Oh, all right. So yeah, insulation. The floor joists are 2x6. You open that up for me? Just the end of it, and you pull them that way. That box is pretty wet. There's about 800 of them things there. 600, matter of fact. 600. And what you're going to do is you're going to take your insulation out, put it up in the ceiling. Show them how them things easily snap right up there, Paul, without the insulation there. Yep. See that? Boom, just like that, and that holds the insulation up all day long. And you just do that about every 16 inches, and you'll be in great shape. So we're going to start this today. This is a double wide, so we tore out the center. We left the vapor barrier or the plastic underbelly in there. So you want to take whatever length you need, probably about 3 foot long, and fill in them open bays. Then you can come back here and fill in the middle. Them was there. I'm not going to need anything holding them up because there's still belly under it. This side doesn't have it, so we're going to use the tiger claws. Make sure they're going back, not getting stuck somewhere. Look at there. That's funny. That's one we got cut out. You're going to have to put a tiger claw on the back side. That is hilarious, Paul. Oh, I loved it. Wah. Wah, wah, wah. Wah, wah. Yeah, man. I like it. You don't think you need that rake to make sure the back doesn't fold under?
I slide them all the way back that far.
Yeah, pull it back a little bit. That's good. That's good. Slide them in, tuck them in. We'll find out. We'll find out in a bit. Insulation. This is a double wide. We're on one side right now. Every 16 would be great. R19 is what I'm using down here. I like it. And there you have it. Very simple to do, literally very simple. We'll clean it up a little bit. We still have the outside bay we have to fill in. The outside bay right over there, Paul, we'll fill in. Got the ends filled in. Both sides. Center.
Roll me one over.
Roll you one over, he said. Roll me one over. Got it, Paul. Rolled you one right over. All right, we're starting on the next run. Start by them 3-footers, sliding them in there, and then come back to the middle. See it? You'll tell. Beautiful. Should be able to stick this stuff up here if the floor joists are the right size, and not have to pin it up till after the fact. Your best friend when you're doing insulation is always going to be these right here. Once you get it in place, You can stick it through a little bit of it on one side, push it straight up, or you can just literally put it underneath and push straight up. You don't want these things to come down, laying down later on. That's what you don't want, because then they're really not holding anything up. So every 16, every 12 if you have to. They're not that expensive. Knead it up, make sure they're nice and touching, and that's how you get a piece done right there. All right, guys, and we just carry on. Next one. What I'd love to be doing is filming every step of this, but it's really hard to film and stuff this stuff up in there at the same time. So the results are, I put them things about every 12 inches. That's about the best you want to do, every 12 inches. Right now I'm stuffing them all the way back so they go back to that back wall, because we never did cut the bottom off of here. We just pulled the insulation out. Kind of black back there, I know. Pulled it out. So now I'm re-insulating them. Paul's cutting me some 3-foot pieces, and we're sticking them back, and we're making sure they go all the way to the back wall. And then we'll pull it out just a little bit to get it to this edge, and then we'll start our next piece that goes 8 foot all the way across. Next, or make sure we got the other side filled in too. I'm not sure how far we are over there, Paul.
Yeah. You put in 3 pieces in, then do the other side.
All right, buddy.
Then I got this one.
That's what I'm gonna do. All right, so we ran out. What did we have? 8 rolls minus a little piece, and we got all the way to here, which is not quite halfway, is it, Paul?
No.
Not quite halfway.
No, you said 20 rolls.
Yeah. So, yep, we got it in. Tiger claws. You see, I put them close. I like putting them close.
Huh?
We didn't have to anything. What's that, Paul?
You said 20 rolls.
Yeah. Yep. So anyway, we still got to come back and finish these out, but the everything is gone. There's no more mice or rats or rodents.
No more smell.
No more smell. We've disinfected everything, and yeah, so we're going ahead and putting everything back. We still are going to enclose this, but we're just not sure when. But we are going to build a box around our ductwork. We haven't decided if we're going to do that or if we're going to just insulate around it, which is also a possibility. We'll get that when we get there. I'm just not sure what we're going to do yet. It's something we got to make a decision on. But we've got it almost, not quite. I'm not going to say halfway, but almost halfway. The good news is we got it almost halfway. The bad news is that side we don't have quite as much room to work around, and the sink is, and the toilet is, and the shower is, and everything is. It's all down there. So that's going to be the hardest part to work around. But if you just take your time, get under your house. If you have the room, I mean, some places can be really tight. I try to keep mine as cleaned out as we can, not too much trash under it. Since day one, this stuff that you see now is the stuff that we've been climbing around on. But yeah, them tiger claws, if you're looking for what to put your insulation up, they make these in 2 different sizes that I know of. And that would be for the 16-inch bay and for the 24-inch bay. And I'm just glad ours is on the 16s. I like that better, much stronger. But yeah, we've got it. We've got the ends filled in, all pinned up with tiger claws. The center's done. 8 rolls so far. I said 20. I think that's probably going to be about right. So away we go. It seems like they're running right around the $48 a roll. You only get about 50 square feet. So here we go. I hope you guys stick around. We will be closing this in. Not sure when. Don't forget, we will be doing some kind of video as much as we can on closing this in, whether we decide insulate, tape, or box. I haven't decided yet, but we'll come to that when we get there. Stick around. Hope we can make it interesting, and it's something that might help you at your house. All right, we'll see you on the next one.